hope the last sums of exercise 13.1 have already been uploaded in your YouTube channel. Watch it, and if you have any problem, ask me in the class, next class. Okay. So exercise 13.1 for 8 number 8 sums I have uploaded it, and now this class on the exercise 13.2, that is cylinder. Okay. So like this shape is a cylindrical shape. So that is called radius r, that is r, and that height, that distance is the height of the cylinder. That height is the height of the cylinder, Okay. So radius and height. So total curved surface area means this up to this area. Okay. Curved surface area formula, direct formula is 2 pi RH. Okay, that is the curved surface area. 13.2 question. or 13.1? 13.8. Yeah, I think have been uploaded. Okay, and total surface area means this curved surface area plus sum of these two circles, pi r square plus pi r square. Circle's area is pi r square plus pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. Now curved surface area 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r plus h, 2 pi r into r plus h, that is the curved total surface area of the cylinder. Now what is the volume? Volume is very much easy, that is pi r square h. Okay, pi r square h. So curved surface area 2 pi r h, it means that area, the side area. Okay, that is curved surface area. And actually if I roll this paper, it can form. Okay, I am just closing that. Okay, that is a copy of your school. So that is a cylinder. Okay, that cylinder, that surface, that cover portion, that surface, that is the no, derivation is not in your syllabus. Okay, so that area, the derivation is not so much hard, because just Vidhita, if it is a rectangle, okay, it is a rectangle. Now if you make it a that will be, if it is L, from that rectangle you will get the curved surface area as well as total curved surface area. So that is, that cover portion is the curved surface area. If it is closed, then curved surface area plus this portion, that circle portion, and that circle portion, it will close. It is closed. In case of closed surface, closed cylinder, that time total surface area will be 2 pi r into r plus h, and volume equal to pi r square h. Sir, what is derivation? I don't know what is derivation. Okay. Next, so question number 1. Question number 1, it is given Curved surface area of right circular cylinder is of height 14 centimeter. So height equal to 14 centimeter. Height equal to 14 centimeter and curved surface area CSA. Curved surface area is 88 centimeter square. 88 centimeter square. You have to find the diameter of the base. You have to find the diameter of the base. First of all, students, as curved surface area, you can take each you have learned, each of know that you have a height of the cylinder that is 14 centimeter. So let radius of the cylinder are centimeter. Radius of the cylinder are centimeter. Radius of the cylinder, that is r centimeter. So curved surface area formula 2 pi r h equal to 88 centimeter square. Curved surface area formula 2 pi r h and that equal to 88. Okay. Now 2 r, that is, and h 14 equal to 88. 7 2 into 2 4, 22 into 4, 22 into 4, that is 88. 88 r equal to 88. So r equal to, it will divide in this side, so that equal to 88 by 88 equal to 1. As r is 20, r is 1 centimeter. So what will be the diameter? We know that diameter equal to 2 into radius. So 2 into 1, that equal to 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Got it? Yes. Okay, what Sangha marks, sir, when she was asking, okay, the question between you and Riddhita, a lot of difference. You are asking me, sir, what is derivation? I know that you don't know the term derivation. Then check the dictionary and next day you will say me what is the meaning of the derivation. Okay, next question. Question number 2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square sheet are required from the to form the cylinder? Okay, so first of all, height equal to height equal to 1 meter. Height equal to 1 meter, d equal to 140 centimeter. First of all, as d equal to 140 centimeter, what will be r? R equal to radius diameter by 2, that is 70 centimeter. 70 centimeter, and that converted into meter, that is 0.7 meter. 0.7 meter. Okay, 0.7 meter, and that is h and r. You have to ask to find the total surface area, that is how many square feet is required. How many square feet is required? First of all, total surface area means that curved surface area, and as well as the area of the upper circle and lower circle. So curved surface total surface area formula, that is total surface area formula, that is 2 pi r plus h, 2 pi r into r plus h. So 2 into pi 22 by 7 r 0.7 into r 0.7 plus 0.7 plus 1. Okay. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 1.7. Here it is 0.7. So cut it. That is 0.1. So you will get, that is 148.1, sorry, 7.48 meter square. Okay. The 7.4 seat is needed. 7.48 meter square is needed. Two pi r into r plus h. Yes. Got it, everyone? Or any problem? That is question number 2. Okay. Next, that is question number 3. Question number 3. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long and inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Okay. Find the inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and total surface area. First of all, tell me, give an example of closed cylinder in your daily life. Give me a example of closed cylinder in your daily life. Quickly, each of you have to answer. All of you have to answer. Yes, gas cylinder. Okay. Chalk. Yes, that chalk is the closed cylinder. Okay. That surface R, that is surface area. If you add the upper circle and lower circle, you will get total surface area. Capsule. Okay. Actually, capsule, that end portions are not circle. Okay, if ends portion just cone type. Coca-Cola can, yes, it can be. Pen, no. Pen is not cylinder. Lower portion is not cylindrical, that is cone type. Drum, okay, yes, it can be. Swastika Mondal, first time answer. Swastika, how are you? Tube, yes, the tube light, that is a cylinder. Okay, very good, fine. I am little bit fine, beta. Okay, anyone else? Priya Kanjilal, capsule, not, capsule is not beta, because that end portions are not similar to circles. Little bit fine. Okay. Tablets, I think tablets, yes, you can say. Though the height is very much short, but tablets are cylindrical. Yes, you can say. Cylindrical. Alexa. Oh. Trisha is typing something. Trisha, Priya, give me another example. Okay. You have given every examples. Okay. Just I am giving battery. Yes, it may be battery. Okay. Sohelika. Most attractive, who I want to see who will give the most attractive examples. Yes sir, Alexa is a cylindrical tram, so I actually don't know. Candle, yes. No, candle when the in initial stage the upper portion is cone, but after burning some parts it is a cylindrical. It is okay. Anyone else? New pencil, very good example. New pencil. When we buy the pencil from the shop, that time that pencil is a cylindrical shape. Very good example. Fire extinguisher, yes. Fire extinguisher here, yes. Yes. Anything else? Anything else? Words, okay, yes, words are cylindrical. That yes, that portion, that upper portion and lower portion is prism form. If it is circle, it's similar to circle. That's why I have said. Cups without handles. Oh my God. Okay, yes, cups without handle. These are the example of cylinder. But very good examples given by that is Riddhita, the tube light. Okay, tube light is a good example of cylinder. Okay, if you have taken that shapes cup, yes, Riddhita, that's cylindrical shapes cup are also fine. Not all the, not as closed cylinder. Yes, it is not. Yes, it is not closed cylinder. Riddhita have taken a good point. Okay. So one example I am showing you, that upper portion is a cylinder or not? Okay, I mean that portion is cylinder or not? That is also a closed cylinder. Got it? So moving in the question number 3. Question number 3, that a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. So long means that is height. 77 centimeter long, and diameter equal to 4 centimeter. Diameter equal to 4 centimeter means radius will be 2 centimeter. Radius will be 2 centimeter, and so you have to find the inner curved surface area and outer curved surface area. Inner curved surface area and outer curved total surface area. Okay. First, let me draw the. Okay. So inner curved surface area, inner diameter, that is 2, and outer means from this to this, that outer surface area equal to 4.4, diameter is 4.4, so it will be 2.2 centimeter. 2.2 centimeter. Okay. So inner curved surface area, that is ICSA. Just take a pipe, tube, that inner portion, inner surface area is the inner curved surface area. That formula is 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h, 2 into 22/7 into r equal to 2 and h equal to that h equal to 77, h equal to 77, that is, so you will get 22 into 88, 88 into 11, 88 into 88, that is 86968 centimeter square. Got it, everyone? 968 centimeter square. Okay, so that is inner curved surface area. So that portion, that surface is inner curved surface area. Now outer curved surface area, just I am rubbing that portion, outer curved surface area, that is ROCA. It means that area. Okay, that area, the outer surface curved surface area. So that is also the same formula, 2 pi r into r, 2 pi r h, 2 into 22/7 into r, 22/7 r. Okay, so 2 pi r, that is, r means outer curved surface area you have to use, outer curved surface area you have to use, that is 2.2 into h, 77, cut it, 11, so 44 into 2.2 into 11, what you will get? I think 106, yes, 106.4.80, 106.4.80, that is the outer curved surface area, outer curved surface area. Okay, so this one is outer curved surface area and that one is inner curved surface area. Next, total surface area of that tube, total surface area of that tube. Okay, total surface area, students, so you can, as it is, that upper portion is cylindrical form, that outer surface and inner total surface. Okay, first check it, total surface area equal to outer surface area, outer curved surface area, inner curved surface area. First tell me, sum of outer curved surface area and sum of inner curved surface area is equal to total surface area, yes or no? Give an example, sorry, give me the answer. The inner surface area, curved surface area and outer surface curved surface area, that sum of these two is equal to total surface area, yes or no? Ornesa is typing something, Ornesa, okay. Riddhita left. Riddhita, why you were left? Sangam have answered. Then what to be added? What to be added? What to be added? Quickly answer. Yes, area of two rings plus area of two rings. That one is ring and that one is, so two rings. And now what is the area of the rings? What is the area of the rings? That is, ring means small r and capital R. Area of that rings is pi into capital R square minus small r square. Pi into capital R square minus small r square. So that is, so total, so that is 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. Why it is 2? Because this one 1 and this one 2. Sum of upper circle and lower circle. So sorry, not circle, that is ring. So outer curved surface area you got 106.4.80. Inner curved surface area you got 968. Now this one 2.2 into 22/7 into capital R square means 2.2 square minus 2 square. Okay. So if you add these two, that is 106. 4.80 plus 968. Your answer is that you have given. So that is 2032.80 plus 203.28 plus 2 into 22/7 r square, that is 4.84. 4.84 into 4.8 minus 4, that is 0.84. 0.84. Okay students, just calculate it and add it. Okay, calculate it and req. Yes, that will that portion you will get 5.28. 5.28. So 203.28 plus 5.28. So you will get total, you will get, that is 2038.08. 2038.08 centimeter square. Got it everyone? Just check the calculation. I have not checked it. Last portion. Okay, last portion, that sum I have not checked it. Okay, so students, today I have completed question number 1 to 3. Question number 1 to 3 of exercise 13.2. I hope you have enjoyed the class little bit, and the next class I will start question number 4, 5, 6, and it may be question number 4, 5, 6. 3 question you will get a offline class. You will search it in at YouTube, and after that it may I start. Okay, that is after leaving 3 sums. Yes. Thank you students. Bye.